Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I thank my honorable teacher and my teammates to give me the opportunity to talk here. I am MD Asir Abdullah Rafi, my ID is 241-15701. So today me and my teammates have discussed about the topic of e-commerce. So here my all teammates are, change the slide. MD Tanvir Rashid Tasin, MD Asir Abdullah Rafi, Afrin Hussain Shuchi, MD Sabir Hussain and Abdullah Rafi. So e-commerce means buying and selling products using the internet. It is very important thing in our daily life and it has made our life easier. So now we don't need to go physically to a shop. People can visit a website or an app to order products. When we buy something from Daraz, Amazon, Facebook, Foodpanda, Uber, etc., we are using e-commerce. E-commerce shopping is very easy because we can buy things anytime and anywhere. We can compare price easily. Products are delivered to our home and payment can be made online and offline, etc. So the next slide will describe my other teammate Shuchi. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Afrin Hussain Shuchi. My ID is 241-15660. Since my teammate has already explained about the introduction of e-commerce, now I will explain about its growth worldwide. Growth of e-commerce. E-commerce started in mid-1990s, but it became very popular in early 2000s. If you look at the graph, you can see that a big rise after 2005. From then on, online shopping kept growing every year. Even today, it is still growing by around 16% every year. Countries like US, Europe and Asia saw the biggest growth, and now almost the whole world uses e-commerce. Unique features of e-commerce. Change the slide. Unique features of e-commerce. E-commerce is growing because it has some special features. First is ubiquity. It means you can buy things anytime and anywhere. Next is global reach. A business can sell to people in different countries without opening physical shops. Then we have universal standards which make online transactions easier and safer. And lastly, richness. Websites can show text, image, audio, video, so products can be explained clearly. Now our next teammate will explain more. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I am MD Tanvir Rashid Tasin, ID 241-15689. Now I will continue with the remaining unique features of e-commerce. The fifth feature is interactivity. E-commerce allows real two-way communication between the business and the customers. People can ask questions, get instant replies, leave reviews and give feedback. This helps business understand customers better and improve trust and engagement. The sixth feature is information density. Online platforms provide a large amount of accurate and updated information at very low cost. Customers can compare prices, check reviews and see full product details instantly. Because of this decision making becomes faster and more reliable. The seventh feature is personalization and customization. E-commerce uses customer data to show personalized recommendations, offers and advertisements. For example, when Amazon suggests products based on your browsing history, this makes the shopping experience more relevant and satisfying for each user. The eighth feature is social technology. Modern e-commerce is strongly connected with social media. People can share products, post feedback and interact with communities. This user-generated content help business for more customers and build credibility. Now moving to the next slide, disintermediation in digital markets. Disintermediation simply means removing middlemen from the buying and selling process. In digital markets, customer can buy directly from the manufacturer without retailers or wholesalers. This lowers product cost, increase profit for businesses and makes the entire process faster and more efficient. For example, purchasing directly from a brand's official website instead of a physical store. Thank you. Now my next teammate will continue.
Assalamualaikum everyone, I am Mohammad Sabir Hossain. My ID is 241-15673. Since my teammate has already explained unique feature of e-commerce, now I am discuss about digital marketing overview. Digital marketing is the component of marketing that uses the internet and electronic device to promote product and service and connects with customer. Why this is so important? Because digital marketing helps us understand modern consumer behavior. Consumers are constantly connected and their journey is complex. Digital channel gives us data to map the journey accurately. Today, market requires new strategy compared to traditional marketing. Now moving to the next slide. The 5D of digital marketing. The 5 pillars represent the fundamental element we work with every day. First, digital device. This is how our audience access to the content. This includes phone, desktop, and television. The next two digital platforms. These are the space where interaction takes place. It includes major ecosystem of Facebook, Google, and YouTube. And digital media. Digital media, this is the measurement that drives and decision. It involves collecting the and analyzing the analytics and insights. Digital data, this is measurement that drives and decision. It involves collecting and analyzing data. Digital technology. Finally, this is the infrastructure that makes it all possible. It includes tools like website, apps, and various marketing. My next team member will discuss next slide.
Thanks Sabir Hossain for calling me. This is Abdullah Rafi and my ID is 241-15212. Now I will briefly talk about the 4 main types of e-commerce. Here are the types. First of all, the business to business. Business selling to other businesses like Alibaba selling retailers. And secondly, business to consumers. Businesses selling directly to the consumers such as Amazon and Daraz. And thirdly, consumer to consumer. Consumers selling to other consumers on platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. And lastly, consumer to business. Individual offering services to businesses, for example, freelancers working for companies. And these 4 models explain how online buying and selling happens between different groups. And if we jump to the conclusion, in conclusion, e-commerce has made transactions simpler, faster, and more accessible. And with global connectivity and digital tools, it continues to expand in all sectors. Understanding these concepts through system analysis and design helps us create secure and user-friendly digital platforms. Thank you everyone.